everybody, welcome back to The Scale Nerd. My name's Tom Pierce. Here we are now in the fourth of my video series on my sculpture of my brother Bob Pierce. Bob was on tour during Operation Junction City in 1967 in Viet Nam. So we're doing a sculpture of his body at 1/6 scale, holding an M79 grenade launcher. So if you've been following along in the videos, you'll see that my first video we covered the sculpture of Bob's head, and then we had several other videos where we covered the sculpture and painting of the gear of his M79 grenade launcher, and now we're doing the full body. We're sculpting in Sculpey firm clay, which is probably my favorite medium to work in as far as sculpture goes. And then the videos to come, we'll be looking at painting Bob's body and head and ultimately finishing up the project. So let's not wait any longer. We'll go ahead and get started on this fourth in the series of videos, Sculpting 1/6 scale bust, featuring my brother Bob Pierce in Vietnam. Okay, Scale Nerd fans, so there you go. We've got the bust sculpted now, complete body sculpture done. The head was already done, the gear and the weapon was done. So everything's all sculpted now and ready for paint. If you've been following along in the videos, I've got 3 other videos prior to this: the sculpting of Bob's head, the sculpting and painting of the gear, and the fabrication, scale scratch building of the M79 grenade launcher and painting that as well. So you know that some of these items are already painted, so I'm moving on to painting the body and ultimately the head. And we'll get you out a new video soon on that, where we'll bring the whole project to a close and finish it up. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you can come back and watch other ones on the Scale Nerd YouTube channel, or visit me on my Facebook page at the Scale Nerd on Facebook. So again, I hope you enjoyed this project. I know I certainly did, and I think my brother's going to really enjoy the end result. So until the next time, safe and happy modeling, and take care. Bye now.